Today I was hoping to talk about the NTSA Smart DL. Why? Okay. Why? Okay. What do you need to get an NTSA Smart DL? One, you need a Teams account. An NTSA account that's used to apply for the Teams for the Smart driving license. You need to have a valid driving license, and if you just came from a driving school, you must have paid for the interim driving license. Okay? If you are getting a new DL, usidanganywe. You must apply for the provisional driving license, for the test, and after that, after the test, you're supposed to get an interim driving license. That's what these days we are calling pay for a new driving license. That is 750. If you have not paid for the three, na ni mara ya kwanza ya DL, my friend, hakuna DL inatoka. Na kama itatoka haitakuwa kwa system. Okay? Moving on from that, we pay 3,050 for a Smart DL. 3,050. Then sisi kwetu hapa tukusaidia kuapply, you will pay us 250 shillings only. Okay? So here at Everleak, we find these areas of doing these things. So what do you need to create this Teams account that is used to apply for the Smart DL? You need your ID, that is the ID serial number. You need your KRA PIN. You need your mother's name. What else do you think? And your phone number. There are codes that will be sent to your phone to verify that it is you, particularly you, who is doing the application. Okay? I don't think there is anything much to discuss more about the smart driving license. But if you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section and I'll answer them all for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, remember to share, remember to show some love by liking our video. Have a nice time.